Ministry of Repentance and Holiness invites you all to the super grand mega end of year healing service that will be conducted by the mightiest prophet of the Lord, Dr. Owuor, on the 30th and 31st of December at the Menengai grounds in Nakuru. This will be followed by the International and Interdenominational Conference of Pastors and Ministers of the Gospel on the 1st of January 2025 at the Nakuru Showground. All manner of diseases will be healed. The cripples, the blind, the deaf, the mute, the paralytics, the lame, spinal cord injuries, cancers and tumors, all manner of wounds, the lunatics, HIV/AIDS, and all other diseases under the sun. Remember, the 30th and 31st of December will be the super grand mega healing service at the Menengai grounds in Nakuru, conducted by the mightiest prophet of the Lord, Dr. Owuor. And on the 1st of January, the new year, will be the International and Interdenominational Conference of Pastors and Ministers of the Gospel at the Nakuru Showgrounds. These meetings will be broadcast live on K24 Television, Crown TV, Jesus is Lord Radio 105.3, 105.9 FM, and www.jesusislordradio.info, and on YouTube. Do not miss your hour of visitation. See you there.